Yes, oven-baked baby back ribs can be delicious, especially when you use my homemade barbecue seasoning. You guys, this seasoning is so smoky and flavorful. Let me show you how I put it together. I'm going to start out with some smoked paprika, onion powder, some garlic powder, dry mustard, dark brown sugar, black pepper, cayenne pepper, kosher salt, and red pepper. Start by properly cleaning and prepping your ribs. We're going to clean them and then we're going to pull off that membrane in the very back. Then we're going to rub that dry rub seasoning all over your ribs, the front and back. And by rubbing, I mean really rub it on. Now you're going to place the ribs on a lined baking sheet and we're going to bake it at 325 degrees for 2.5 hours. Take them out, turn them over, and then rub whatever sauce you want on, or you can just leave the seasoning on however you want to flavor your ribs. I'll show you how to make my homemade barbecue sauce in another video. Once they are done, take them out, let them cool a little bit, and you guys, these